Alright, YouTube, guess what? I have a model for you, and guess what? This is not going to be a good one. So, be forewarned now. This is the Groove Boss from AMT. This is an old kit. I think it's from the 70s, because when I looked up these type of cars, they were from the 70s. Super modified. It's very cool cars. I wish I could say the same about the kit. So, it's got the real cool old school box. I always like the old school box. It's kind of cool. Little blueprint there. Alright, so I bought this kit. When I got it, I looked online and I could not find any references to this kit other than the fact that AMT released it. I did not see anybody build it. I have not seen any reviews of it. Here is a review. It sucks. Don't buy it. If you want to get in trouble with yourself, buy this kit there, because this kit is just horrible. This is the worst piece of crap I have ever experienced in my life. So you want to see what I got with it? Where to start? I was yelling and swearing at this thing all the way around. The pieces don't fit together. Everything falls apart on itself. The front nose doesn't fit to the clip. The engine is too big for the hole there to put in there, so that sits forward. None of these suspension pieces, I do not have the wheels glued on right now. The wheels don't stay together. None of these suspension pieces stay in there. They don't line up. The roll cage doesn't line up. Like I said, here, this front nose clip here is just, it doesn't even match the body of the rest of the body here. It's supposed to be flat and goes right across. It does not. See, the engine here just sits right up on that, does not go down. This driver's pain in the ass, doesn't sit in there properly. This roll cage doesn't want to go together right after I cleaned it a million times and tried to work with it. Back end, just open because, you know, the old modified. The suspension does not sit right. You can see the wheels are all goofy. Here's the front end. It's like it's not even lined up evenly because it just doesn't fit on there properly. My review of the Groove Boss sucks. Don't buy it. Worst piece of shit you'll fucking ever own. Too blunt? I don't care. I'm warning you guys now. Don't buy this kit. So, I want to keep working on some other models. And this one's going to go hidden away somewhere. Alright, everybody. Wherever you're at, whatever you're doing, take care of yourselves. And don't buy the Groove Boss.